Dit gaan in die huidige tydsgewrig nie om die sogenaamde bevryding van die swart man nie. Dit gaan inderdaad om die inbesitneming van ons land. Daar is magte met begeerige oë, gerig op die natuurlike rykdom en die strategiese ligging van ons land. En om besit daarvan te bekom, is dit hul oogmerk om ons as volk te vernietig.
The children got a letter from the master. It said no more Xhosa, Sotho, no more Zulu. Refusing to comply, they sent an answer. That's when the policeman came to the rescue. Well, the children were flying, bullets dying, all the mothers screaming and crying. The fathers were working in the city. The evening news brought out all the publicity, just a little atrocity deep in the city. Benny Gupina Matoda, Babetubula Abantwana, Benny Gupina Abantwana, Babetjigitela Ezizimboto, Benny Gupina. There was a full moon on the golden city. Knocking at the door was the man without pity, accusing everyone of conspiracy, tightening the curfew, charging people with walking. The border is where he was waiting, waiting for the children, frightened and running. A handful got away, but all the others are in the jail without any publicity, just a little atrocity deep in the city. Benny Gupina Matoda, Babetubula Abantwana, Benny Gupina Abantwana, Babetjigitela Ezizimboto, Benny Gupina. Soweto blues, Soweto blues, Soweto blues, Soweto blues, Soweto blues, without any publicity. Soweto blues, they are finishing our nation. Soweto blues, while calling it black on black. Soweto blues, but everybody knows they're behind. Soweto blues, without any publicity. Soweto blues, asikadili sizwe setu mawetu. Uyelele baba. Soweto blues.
Dit is waarom ons jong manne vandag op ons kleinste is. En waarom uw geliefdes moes sterwe. Dit wil sê vir die behoud van ons land, sodat ons kan lewe.
Resistance is defense, a defense in action. Resistance is defense, a defense, a defense in action.
What started as a peaceful protest degenerated into a rampage in which Tutsi elements are suspected to have become involved. The police refused to comment to SA Mirror, saying the matter was being investigated at a higher level.
Daar is beslis geen rede tot enige paniek nie. En daar is beslis geen rede tot enige paniek nie. En daar is beslis geen rede tot enige paniek nie.